how to transfer Coinbase to MetaMask 2026. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to transfer Coinbase to MetaMask 2026. So what you have to do is head to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then go to MetaMask wallet. Now tap on the website and make sure that you're on the correct network for the token you want to transfer. Then hover over or tap your account name at the top of the screen to copy your wallet address to your clipboard. Now, once you do that, head to your Coinbase app, then tap send from your home screen. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and then enter the amount you wish to send. Into the to field, paste your copied MetaMask wallet address and make sure that the both Coinbase and MetaMask are using the same blockchain. Then tap Review Send to review the transaction details and then complete any required security verification. Now your assets will arrive in your MetaMask wallet shortly depending on network congestion. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.